Hi, welcome to coordinate plot video tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to form a curve line for a lone line and also for two meeting lines. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a line. So let's just try and create a line. You can make use of this line already, line here, but we can also create another line. So let's try and create another. So you touch on the line icon to create another line. So I want to make this line to face 0 degree, that is to 0 degree. So I can click on here. So before I do that, I have to click on the focus so that it will be done on the center focus. So let's click here. So make this to be vertically upwards, so 0 degree. So we can also increase it here. Maybe I can increase it to 30 degree, something like this. So that's wonderful. So I can now touch here and then I can make use of the length variation bar. Okay, now I can make use of the navigational bar. So to move it downward a little bit, just form it here. So after that, I'll need to create the offset. So I need to start by forming the curve line. So if you want to form the curve line, all you need to do, touch it and then click on display icon. Okay, so once you've done that, so you look below, you see the radius of the curvature. So you can click here. We have a 1 degree curve, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree. And then if you want to swap it, that is, you want to create a negative, you can also click here. Alright, to get the negative, that is a -6. You can also reduce it here, minus. So it's going here, increasing -10, -11. So you can also bring it up here. That's equals to. Okay, so you can also click here to do it immediately. So you can put any curve you want to put. Like I have 10 here, you can put 0. So return it to normal straight line. So after that, we are going to also learn how to curve two meeting lines. That is, if they form a point, so we can create offset. So let's try and create two meeting lines. So we come here, create the offset. Okay, so we can make this offset to be 270 degree, so it faces at the left direction. Alright, so let's try and increase it. Okay, so it's okay. So let's form the curve of two meeting lines. We want to form curve here. That's just like we're forming the curve of the road, just like exactly what we did here. So we just want to form the curve. So what we're going to do is we need to click on the point curve. Okay, so the mode has been set. So you touch on the meeting line. So touch on any line that meets it. So once you have done that, it's going to form an adjustment curve line. So here we're going to adjust it. So we can adjust the radius. Maybe we want to form a radius to be big. Okay, we want to get it back. You can swap it to form a negative curve or something like that, because this is exactly what we are looking for. So maybe you want to form something that looks like a roundabout. You can swap it here like this. So let's make use of this one, the negative curve. So we can also increase the curve distance. So the one below is the curve distance. That's the distance of the curve. You can start exactly from any point, anywhere you want to start. So we return it to 7. So this is how we want our curve to be. So it depends on how you want your curve to look like. So let's click on point curve here. Okay, so click on the escape key. So successfully we have formed our point curve. That's a curve of two meeting lines. Remember, we formed the curve of a lone line, that's one line. You can also form the curve of two meeting lines. Thank you very much for watching.